Everyone, you're welcome to my channel. I am your favorite Amazon KDP instructor, Chizzy Digital. If you're a fellow Kino Direct publisher, you can attest to the fact that one of the greatest challenges we usually face is with keyword research. Because of how important it is, keyword research determines the visibility of your content. It has a lot of role to play in the visibility of your content, bringing your content to spotlight and then amplifying your chances of making sales because keyword research, you are trying to work hand in hand with what is happening in search engines. But the greatest challenge is the fact that most keyword research tools are paid, or the best keyword research tools are paid. There are actually free options, but the paid options are the best. Okay, so and these paid options like Publisher Rocket, they are expensive, right? We're talking about at least $100. It might not be much for some people, but for some, especially the beginners now, is it's kind of expensive. But I have a good news for you. Draw your seat closer because in this very video, I'm going to be teaching us how to get almost, if not the same results as what you get from these paid keyword research tools like Publisher Rocket. If you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button, like this video, click on the bell notification icon in order to be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Let's get started, guys. Okay, we'll be working with ChatGPT. So many of us know what ChatGPT is. It's an AI tool, AI research tool. So I'll be opening chat.openai.com. That's the website. If you don't have an account yet, it's very simple. Just sign up and you will get to this stage. Okay, so it's a platform where you can just input prompts, tell the AI to do anything, and then it runs the command. So, but we are going to be modifying this basic ChatGPT by installing an extension called WebGPT extension. All right, it's an extension ChatGPT with internet access. So we can see it here. ChatGPT, WebGPT, ChatGPT with internet access. I'm going to click on it and it will take us to Chrome Web Store where we will actually install the extension. So you click on Add to Chrome. When you click on Add to Chrome, you click on Add Extension. Then you exercise a little patience for it to download and install completely. So this is it. I think it's been downloaded. Good. So once the step is completed, it will automatically direct you to a new ChatGPT page. All right, but this particular ChatGPT now will have a lot of features. It wouldn't be like the basic ChatGPT layout. There will be a lot of features. Look at the basic ChatGPT, then compare it with this. Okay, so you see a lot of features added here. So but my concern is with keyword research. So I will be searching keyword ideas, generate the best keyword ideas. So that's what we are looking for. I will click on it. Then in this prompt field, you can search for anything. All right, so I want to write a book that is related to electrical and electronic engineering. Okay, so but I'm going to be typing electrical electronic. Then I will click on run this prompt. So when I do this, this modified ChatGPT will give me keywords, high ranking keywords related to the searched terms. So these are the keywords now. So let's just allow the process to complete. Okay, I think it's done. So I will scroll up now so that we can see the table better. Okay, so this is a table of keywords. Sorry, keywords, search volume, CPC, paid difficulty, and SEO difficulty. So these are the keywords related to the prompt electrical electronic. Okay, so but I'm going to be modifying this prompt now from this disregard any previous blah blah blah. The keyword to be analyzed are electrical electronics. So I will modify this now and edit a few stuffs. Okay, so I've done the editing already, and I've pasted it somewhere. So I'll just go right there now and copy it and paste here, but I'll be leaving a link in the description of this video where you will get this modified prompt. So what you will just change is the keyword itself. Like my own keywords is electrical electronic. You will input your own keyword but leave the rest of the text as it is. Okay, so this is the text here. I will copy it, then paste here. Okay, so then I'm going to run this prompt. Let's see what changes. I've changed this to based on search volume competition score, where 1 is low competition and 100 is high. It's going to give us exactly what we get from publisher rocket. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, I think it's done. This is the answer we have. We now have search volume and competition score. Competition score is very important for us to know how much competition we are going to be facing for a particular keyword. Okay, so it tells you how much already existing content with the related keyword. Okay, so that's just a layman's analysis or explanation of what competition score is. So I'm going to be tracking these keywords one by one on Amazon.com. So the first one is electrical engineering. So I will go and search for electrical engineering on Amazon.com in its book section to know how much competition I'm going to be facing. So I will change this to books, from all to books, because our interest is in books sold on Amazon.com. So under books, I will search for electrical engineering as copied from our new ChatGPT or modified ChatGPT. So after search, when I search for electrical engineering, I have 1 to 16 of 50,000 results. So there are 50,000 already existing content related to the searched word electrical engineering. So the competition is high, but the search volume is high as well, which is a good news. So I'm going to be checking electronic devices. In fact, I will track these keywords one by one. Okay, so don't mind these pop-ups. This is a result of AMZ suggestion expander, another important free keywords research tool. So for electronic devices, I have 50,000 results as well. Man, it's a kind of very saturated niche. Okay, so 50,000 results is much. We have a lot of competition. Then I will go through these keywords one by one to know which one is more suitable with regards to competition and search volume. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so I will search for the next keyword. So bear in mind that you can use a keyword as the title or subtitle of your book. You can use a keyword during the description of your book. So these top ranking keywords, you can include them in the title or subtitle. You can include them the description or in the 7 keyword fields. All right, so you can equally use them during your A plus content creation. Okay, so let's track electrical appliances and see how many. Okay, this is 10,000 results, so 10,000 similar content related to that very keyword, so not that bad. compared to the ones we've checked so far. All right, so let's check the next electronic components. So let's see. Okay, electrical appliances repeated itself again. Let's edit it to electronic component and see how much competition we're going to be facing. So for electronic components, we have 9,000. I think this is the best so far, and it is quite related to the content I'm trying to create or the book I want to develop. So it has 12,000 search volume and 75 competition score. Okay, so electronic components, I have electrical engineering, high search volume. Good. So I'm going to do something right now. So this is a book I want to develop. This is a template. Okay, so I will rename it. By default, it has the size, the book size as the name of the document, but I'm going to rename it now. I'm going to rename it electronic devices and components. These words or the title now, they are part of the results I got from my research on ChatGPT with internet access. So I'll open the file itself. I'll open this book template itself. Okay, then you see where I have my book title. The keyword now, like as I told us earlier, you can make use of keyword as your book title, subtitle. You can include it in the description of your book, and then you can include it also in the 7 keyword sections. You can equally include them in your A plus content. Okay, so if you're a Kano direct publisher, you should be familiar with all this. So I've set the title of my book and reduced the font. Then the subtitle as well. I'm going to choose a related keyword. One of the keywords I got from my research, electrical and electronic engineering. I have electrical engineering with about 20,000 search volume. Okay, so I will still include it here. So I have electrical and electronic engineering as my subtitle, and I've reduced the font as well. This is just how to create paperback manuscript. So if you don't know how to do this, I have a premium course that teaches everything Amazon KDP, but we'll get there later. Now I've just opened the Amazon KDP website, kdp.amazon.com. Let me show us how to implement these keywords. Okay, the results from our keyword research, how to utilize it better. So these are some of my content, some of the books I've published so far on this very Amazon KDP account, but I'm going to click on create to create a new one. I like to create paperback first, so I will click on paperback. I want to create a new book utilizing the result from my keyword research. So for my book title, I'm going to be inputting electronic devices and components. Electronic devices, electronic components, they are in the results I got from my keyword research. So my subtitle as well will be one of the um, products of my keyword research. I have electrical engineering and think I have something electronic components. So I will use electrical and electronic engineering as my subtitle. So whenever anyone searches or comes to Amazon search engine and input these strings, of course it's going to match with what I've uploaded, and chances that my content will pop up for them is high because I use this related keywords. So I will leave these sections. This is the description section. I can include some of these keywords here, but I will come to that later. So this is another important part, keyword. Choose up to 7 keywords highlighting your book unique traits. All right. So I will still go back to my results the results of my keyword research and then pick keywords here and paste in those 7 fields. There are other ways of keywords research. You can make use of seller app, you can make use of answer the public, you can make use of AMZ suggestion expander, you can make use of the Amazon search bar itself. Okay, so um I've covered all this in my Amazon KDP course. My students among you can bear witness to that. So, but for the purpose of this lesson, I'm going to be using the results I got from my keywords research on ChatGPT with internet access. This is the same thing, almost the same result you're going to be getting if you use Publisher Rocket Premium tool. Okay, so I'm copying keywords from here and pasting it in the 7 keyword field. So you may not use all. I like to choose those that best describes my content. Okay, and then I still consider the search volume. Okay, search volume is telling you about how much is being repeated in search engine. So these other fields I will complete them later from any of the other keyword research um platforms or techniques. So now we'll save this as draft. Let me see, let me check. I have 2 KDP accounts, but let me check the reports on this very account. Let me see how much I have so far, if I even have anything at all. Okay, I have $18.6. I created this video, I think beginning of the month, I think second day of the month, and I have $18. So by the end of the month, I'm hopeful anyway. So then I have a premium course on Amazon KDP. If you don't know how to leverage this online money well to make some good money for yourself monthly, I teach this perfectly. Okay, so let me take you on a tour to my online course on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. So that's my website, digital.com.ng. So this is the Amazon KDP course, guys. Let's go through the content and let me show you what you stand to learn. How to create foreign bank accounts, remove 30% tax holding, and just a lot. No stone is left unturned. This is the best Amazon KDP course you can get anywhere. Okay, anywhere. This is a detailed course that teaches you perfectly everything you need to know to get started and then start making hundreds and thousands of dollars from Amazon KDP. Okay, I have a lot of students already locally and internationally, and they are all doing well. So hopefully see you in class. Thanks for watching. Bye.